In the world of ultralight drones, DJI has absolute control. They created the sub-249-gram category, perfected it, and forced every competitor to play catch-up. But if you think the Mini 4 Pro was the peak of small drone technology, you are dead wrong. The recent wave of leaks, supply chain whispers, and patent filings surrounding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro reveal something far bigger than a simple incremental upgrade. DJI is preparing to break the laws of physics once again, fitting flagship-level tech into a body that still evades strict aviation regulations. The question isn't whether the Mini 6 Pro will be good. The question is whether it will render almost every other portable drone on the market completely obsolete. To understand why the Mini 6 Pro is causing such a massive stir across the drone community, you have to look at what DJI is currently facing. Competitors are closing in, regulatory bodies are tightening rules, and creators are demanding professional-grade imagery without the hassle of carrying heavy gear. The Mini line was built on a simple compromise: keep it under 249 grams to bypass registration in places like the United States, but give up raw sensor size and advanced processing power. With the Mini 6 Pro, that compromise is officially dead. Let's start with the feature everyone is talking about: the camera system. Leaked schematics and insider reports suggest DJI is testing a revolutionary variable aperture lens system paired with a massive new sensor. Up until now, sub-249-gram drones suffered in brutal lighting conditions. You either had overexposed highlights or noisy, muddy shadows. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to introduce an upgraded camera module capable of dynamic lighting adjustments on the fly, offering cinematic depth of field and low-light performance that rivals drones twice its size. Imagine flying through a dense forest at sunset, capturing the dramatic sunbeams cutting through the trees without crushing the dark details of the forest floor. That is the level of visual fidelity we are looking at. But exceptional image quality means nothing if your drone falls out of the sky after 15 minutes. Battery life has always been the ultimate battle for microdrones. Every single gram matters. If you add a bigger battery, you breach the regulatory limit. If you keep it light, flight time suffers. However, supply chain leaks point toward a new high-density cell chemistry being implemented in the Mini 6 Pro batteries. We aren't just talking about 2 or 3 extra minutes of hover time. The engineering team at DJI is reportedly targeting a real-world flight time that pushes past the 40-minute mark on a standard battery, all while maintaining that crucial sub-249-gram threshold. For creators shooting long landscape sweeps or tracking fast-moving action, those extra minutes are the difference between capturing a legendary shot and going home empty-handed. Now, let's talk about the brain of this drone, because this is where things get almost unsettling. Obstacle avoidance on small drones used to be a secondary feature, something to save you from a basic tree branch. The Mini 6 Pro is set to feature a multi-directional vision system backed by next-generation AI processing. This isn't just about stopping before you hit a wall, it's about predictive pathfinding. Leaks indicate that the new active track system can analyze complex environments in real time, predicting where a subject will move even if they briefly disappear behind foliage, buildings, or terrain. Whether you are mountain biking down a dense trail or driving along a winding coastal road, the Mini 6 Pro is designed to weave through obstacles like an expert FPV pilot, completely autonomously. This brings us to one of the most guarded secrets in the entire leak cycle: the transmission technology. Anyone who has flown in urban environments knows the pain of signal drops, laggy feeds, and sudden disconnections caused by heavy signal interference. The Mini 6 Pro is slated to debut the next evolution of DJI's proprietary transmission system. By utilizing auto-frequency switching across broader bands and leveraging enhanced antenna architecture within the drone's frame, the video feed stability is expected to reach unprecedented levels. You get a crystal-clear, ultra-low latency live feed even when pushing the drone behind structures or flying at maximum range. What makes all of this even more impressive is how DJI handles heat dissipation. Packing a high-performance processor, advanced sensors, and a powerful camera transmitter into a sealed, lightweight shell is a recipe for overheating. Early prototypes allegedly ran into thermal throttling issues during extended 4K recording sessions in warm weather. To solve this, internal component layouts have been completely redesigned. Using ultra-lightweight magnesium alloy heatsinks and redesigned internal airflow channels, the Mini 6 Pro pulls cool air through the body during flight, allowing continuous high bitrate recording without thermal shutdowns, even under the blazing summer sun. For serious filmmakers and content creators, the software updates might actually be bigger news than the hardware. Leaked firmware details point to full integration of advanced log color profiles with higher color depth, allowing for massive flexibility in post-production. You no longer have to settle for baked-in colors or limited dynamic range. You can match the Mini 6 Pro's footage seamlessly with professional cinema cameras. On top of that, rumors suggest true vertical shooting is getting a major upgrade. Instead of cropping the image digitally and sacrificing resolution, the gimbal assembly is re-engineered to rotate instantly, capturing full-resolution vertical video ready for high-impact social media platforms without losing a single pixel of quality. So why does all of this matter right now? Because the launch timeline is approaching faster than most people realize. Supply chain movements and regulatory filings indicate that production lines are already ramping up. DJI knows the market is hungry for a drone that eliminates every single pain point of the previous generations. They aren't just releasing a slight upgrade, they are setting a benchmark that competitor brands will struggle to reach for years. If these leaks hold true, the Mini 6 Pro won't just be the best compact drone on the market, it will redefine what creators expect from a portable camera. It eliminates the friction between professional aerial cinematography and everyday convenience. You won't need heavy backpacks, complex registration processes, or team crews to capture Hollywood-level aerial footage. Everything you need will fit in the palm of your hand, ready to launch in seconds.